Okay, so this is by far the worst device I've ever had to fix. It's an iTouch first generation. As you can see, the screen is cracked, but that is only the beginning. The good news is, and you can see it there, the LCD underneath the glass digitizer is fine. It's not broken or anything, so that's working. But you can take a look here. The case came apart. You see how bent that is? Apparently this fell off the back of a car and then it fell in two pieces. So you're going to see here that I'm going to go ahead and unplug it because I don't want it to be charged. You can see here the back is already off. I didn't have to pry it apart. But as you can see here, I mean, just massive damage to the back. And this is hard metal, this frame right here, and that is bent. I already started earlier loosening the battery, so the battery is already loose. Basically it has some adhesive holding it on, but I got under there with a flat head screwdriver and loosened some of the adhesive. So basically I'm going to take off all the guts. I've ordered a new back plate, and I've ordered a new front metal bezel and a new glass digitizer screen, of course. And here you can see the iTouch is all taken apart. Here is the back bezel. Like I said, I ordered a new one of those. Here's the front bezel that held the digitizer glass in place. Ordered a new one of those. The power button, which is bent, so I'll probably have to order a new one of those. I don't think I can bend it back into shape. The antenna cover, the LCD, the screws, the home button, and you have the logic board or main board, whatever you want to call it, with the battery. Alright, so I have my new parts. Here's the new outside bezel, as you can see here, and the new glass digitizer touchscreen. So new glass, new metal bezel around the back. I put the LCD back in and I'm screwing it in now. And then I'll have to put the motherboard back in and get that bottom part where the home button is adhered back down to here to the bezel with some sticky tape. And then I'll put the rest of it on top, screw it all down, reconnect everything. And here is the brand new back plate. As you can see, I put on the antenna, power button. Power button's back on. So once this is all done, like I said, this should look like a brand new iTouch. So we're almost done here. Okay, so here's the finished product. So you guys remember how it looked in the beginning. We'll look at it now. Brand new digitizer glass touchscreen, brand new bezel, and of course a brand new back. Brand new, shiny new. Of course I have some smudges on it, but the only thing that's wrong with it, as you can probably see here, is there's some lines on the LCD. I told the guy who I repaired this for that it's probably a good idea to replace the LCD, but he opted not to. So maybe he'll change his mind after he sees the work I did, and maybe he'll want everything to look just as nice and not have the LCD messed up.